Find the area of triangle of the lengths whose sides are 7 meters, 24 meters, 25 meters. Use Heron's formula. Solution. Let the given triangle sides A is equal to 7 meters, B is equal to 24 meters and C is equal to 25 meters. Using Heron's formula, we have area of triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Substituting the values of A, B and C, we get S is equal to 7 plus 24 plus 25 by 2, which is 56 by 2. That is equal to 28. Now let us substitute the above values to get the area of a triangle. Area of triangle is equal to under root 28 of 28 minus 7 of 28 minus 24 of 28 minus 25, which is equal to under root 28 into 21 into 4 into 3, which is equal to under root 7056, which is equal to 84 square meters.